Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rippling HR for tax forms automation. To register with Rippling HR for tax forms automation, begin by navigating to the Rippling website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page and click on it. You will be directed to the account creation page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a secure password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly. Open your email inbox and look for the verification message from Rippling. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once your email is verified, return to the Rippling login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new account. Complete any additional profile information prompted by the system. Navigate to the tax forms section within your account dashboard. Click on Automate Tax Forms to begin the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your payroll and employee information. Input your business details as required, including your employer identification number, EIN. Upload any necessary documents to facilitate the automation process. Review your entries to ensure all information is accurate. Once confirmed, click on the Save Changes button. Your tax form automation setup should now be complete. Check for any confirmation messages indicating successful registration. Explore additional features and settings available within Rippling HR for optimal use. With your account set up, you are now ready to take advantage of tax forms automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.